All right, folks, we have another interchange episode today. Our lovely switcher, Alco S4 number 1055, is on his way to go collect a couple of caboose that have been recently repainted, and that will be entering service on the Rockwall Canyon Railroad. As we cruise along the Rockwall Canyon Viaduct, I thought I would move the camera onto the train and give a nice little cab view. I guess we're actually up on the rooftop, but kind of a neat perspective from up there. Here we are coming into Pont Rocheau, just passing through, of course, on the way to our interchange at St. Patrick's. And we're making good time here through the elevated sections, going into Danf Butte, and then out again through the wetter area of the railroad. But a nice little stretch through the trees here. Here we go under the canopy at St. Patrick's, the Shamrock Yard, and now making the curve at St. Pat's. Coming into the station, we're going to make a quick stop here before we make our reveal of what we've got to pick up today. And we'll tease just a little bit longer. You can see that one of these cabooses is blue, of course. Imagine you can guess what road name we have here. All right, 1055 is making the hitch, and then we'll be on our way. So here we have it. C87 is a Boston and Maine caboose. We got a new logo on 1055, and our new paint scheme here with a fresh new logo, a full-size logo on the green caboose there. You can see the R and the C kind of in a Southern Railroad Herald form. Maybe Alaska Railroad too. Very similar logo. That's our new Rockwall Canyon logo. One of them, actually. We got 3 new logos recently that we're playing around with. So this would be our older era logo. At the end of the video, you'll see our newer modern era logo. But I also have another in-between logo that's kind of a Conrail-esque scheme. And I imagine you'll be seeing that soon. So for the rest of the video, I have some different footage. You can see our caboose cupula angle right now coming into Pont Rocheau. Kind of happy with how this worked out. But also we want to show the caboose in their natural habitat at the end of freight trains. So we'll have a little bit of that going on too. So sit back and enjoy the ride.